Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and yes, we are getting our StuG life on. We've got our Sturmgeschütz 3 Ausf.G here, early production. As you can see, it is from a Dragon Armor, 1/72nd scale. It does look pretty cool. It is from the Totenkopf in Ukraine, 1944. And as you can see, that's what it's going to look like when we do open it. How about we just open it? Just do it. Let's get this open. I managed to score this off an online shop, and yeah, in Japan. Well, I wasn't in Japan, but the model was, and it sailed over here into my grubby little collection. All right, I do like myself a StuG or a Sturmgeschütz. They are a nice little stubby little tank, or a tank destroyer. They look pretty cool. Now, it does come in the usual presentation, screwed onto the base with some Phillips head screws. Nice clear cover, perspex or clear acrylic case. Mine does have a little crack on there, but oh well, shit happens. Oh, it's taped on far out. Let's do that, and we should be able to do this and get it open. It does have a little bit of plastic in there for protection, of course, while it's on its way to you. Hopefully, if you do like what you see, you'll be able to grab one yourself, because this winter wash version looks really nice. You can see the yellow underneath. Wow, that detail. Let's zoom right in. Let's get stuck into it. The detail. Check out that paintwork. Far out. It's got some beautiful weathering, the dirtiness on the closest, the underside there, closest to the ground. Man, that looks really cool. And the whitewash that's been applied, far out. It's well, obviously it looks to have maybe some T-34 kill markings there on the side. Yeah, man, this is really cool. The details are exquisite. Yep, another nice looking one. The deck details are really nice too. You can see some stowage details. You can see the exhaust. It's a little bit dirtier. Like it's got some black scorch marks sort of on the exhaust there, to simulate where the exhaust is coming out. And those all those stowage items on there are nicely picked out as well. It's got some spare wheels on the back too. But yeah, overall, this does look fantastic. And it's got the older style mantlet on there as well. Let's see. Obviously, yes, we do have elevation and depression. So it does look fantastic. Man, I love these. Definitely, I love these. They look really cool. Like the tank, not the ideology. So before anyone jumps on me, we do live in that kind of world sometimes. You got to appreciate things for what they are. And this man is a killer model. It does look fantastic. Yeah, no matter what markings he's wearing. Yeah, pretty darn cool. The overall finish, oh, amazing. Yeah, this just does look great. Yeah, all right. Well, I'll wind up the video. It's a pretty easy one. These are pretty simple, these ones. But if you like this model, don't forget some of those my way. Drop a comment below as per usual. Punch on that subscribe button if you're watching and have yet to do that and you're new to the channel. And as always, you would have seen the photos of this at the start in these ones. Don't forget to check this out on the turntable at the end if you want to see it spinning around without my grubby fingers all over it. And as always, I will finish by thanking you, the viewer, for dropping past to check out another one of our videos. I hope you did enjoy what hit your eyeballs today. Happy hunting for your next model, of course, and you all have an awesome sauce rest of your day. Cheers, everyone.